obviously you can tell by the title, today we are ceramic coating a set of bowlers for one of my friends, Oliver. He's currently doing a caddy build, which is quite cool. So these are the wheels that are going on it. I'll show you a close-up now. They do need a good clean, but we'll obviously get into that. Here are the wheels. Very nice, in white, not to everyone's taste. 18 inch, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 18s. As you can see, they do need a good clean. And obviously that is why they're getting ceramic coated, because all of this is getting in these cracks and things like that. You can see even better there. I'll show you the back of the wheel. They're not in really bad condition, but yeah, I'll show you all the products I'm going to be using to clean them, and then I'll show you the ceramic coating I'm going to be using as well. And then at the end, obviously, once they're all coated and cured, slap some tyre shine on them as well. Make them look spot on. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so here's everything I'm going to be using. So in the bucket, just down here, I've got 2 wheel brushes and the small barrel brush I showed in another video, and a wash mitt with Infinity Wax wheel shampoo. And then I've got fallout remover, acid wheel cleaner, might not need it but I've got it, clay bar, obviously the shampoo, tire and glue remover, and then there is a ceramic coating. So this is a ceramic coating of choice. It's up to 2 years. Yeah, it's good stuff. So yeah, let's get on with cleaning the wheels. I'm going to do 2 at a time, and I'm just going to time lapse it. It's a bit easier, but you can see the full process. Okay, so I've sprayed the iron fallout remover on. As you can see, it's got to work straight away. I'm not sure if they were cleaned before they come off the other car, but they might have been, but just not with a fallout remover. You can see the barrels are done. Yeah, the barrels need most of the work really. Also, I forgot to add prep spray as well. Prep spray obviously has to be used to make sure the surface is 100% clean. But yeah, jump straight back into the time lapse. I'm just going to jet wash this off, reapply, and then go around, clean the wheels, see how they look after, give them a quick clay bar, tire and glue remover, but I might use acid if I need to, but we'll find out. Right, okay, so wheels are all clean now. I'm just going to let them air dry for now. I might blow them off, I'm not sure yet. I'm just going to leave them for a minute whilst I pack away my jet wash and that. So yeah, let them air dry for now, and then go over them with tire and glue remover, bring them into the unit, use prep spray, and then I'll start laying down the coating. But yeah, they look much better already. Just the corners and things like that just need a wipe over with prep spray, but yeah, they look much better than they did. So yeah, as you can see, the wheels are now in. I've just got to quickly go around the faces to dry the faces, but I'm going to go straight in with the tire and glue remover, which is here, which is Infinity Wax. Do the face and barrels, and then after that, prep spray, which is here, and then after that, we'll lay down the ceramic coating on the wheels. So I'm going to chuck a time lapse on of me doing the tire and glue remover on the wheels now. I might spray the tyres as well. I'm not sure how new the tyres are. They weren't dirty, but I might just do the faces of the tyre as well. Okay, so wheels are all prepped, ready to go. So for the first one, I'm gonna coat the face first and then wipe that off and then do the barrel. You can leave it for up to 5 minutes. I probably won't, but you can, that's the maximum time you can leave it on for basically. But it's just a simple case of applying it, which you'll see, and then just wiping it off. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. Been on about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm gonna wipe that off now, and then I'll show you the wheel after, because it'll be so much glossier. You could probably see from just where I put the coating on that it's got glossier, like the inside of the barrel. But when I've done the face of the wheel, I went into the face of the like little spokey bits, and then in the back I've gone proper into the lip, and then inside them as well. So it's easier to actually access them from the back. So I'm just gonna wipe this off now. Right, hopefully that stays there. So yeah, so there's the barrel of the wheel. Very clean. And then here's the face. So yeah, much better. Like I said, I'm gonna slap some tyre shine on them once they're done, but yeah, very nice. Right, so got these 3 to do, so I'm just gonna crack on with these 3 now, and then I'll show you the end results. Okay, so the wheels are now done, fully ceramic coated. It will last up for 2 years, like I said, and yeah, transformed them. They look brand new again, apart from one of them does have a little bit of curb damage, and a couple of like chips and that on it, but that is the only wheel. So yeah, it's just one wheel that's got a bit of damage on it, but besides that, they look really good. And yeah, they are going on a caddy. They're going on, I can't remember the name of the colour. It's kind of like a duck egg blue, it's like a grey colour, but I'm sure that'll be in a video once that's completely finished. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for many more videos. Cheers.